O to make your look good with to make up. You don't need ton of make you product to make your stand out. What you are no allow to wear make-up, have sensitive skin, or just prefer to go natural. The article will show you how to make your look bright and beautiful with to make-up. Curl your lash. Even if you are wearing make-up, most make-up artists agree curling your lash is a must, because it make your look large and more awake. Usant a lash curl to first curl along the very base of your lash, squeezing for 10 seconds, then the middle of your lash and It will give your lash a natural curl instead of just bending them up on arch angle. If a lash curl is out of the question, there are other way to make your lash stand out. Blow on top of your fingertip to warm them up, then gently press your lash up. Hold for 10 seconds, en repeat if necessary. Eat a spoon in a mug of warm water, then hold the edge of the spoon along the root of your eyelash. To curve the side of the spoon, the side to hold the source real, should be facing out, away from you. Use your finger to gently push your lash up against the edge of the spoon. Use a clean toothbrush to brush your lash bar. Run the bristle and the hot water to warm up the brush, wiping off excess moisture on a towel. Then brush the bristle up through your lash, starting near the root, and holding at the tip for 10 seconds. Veer color to make your eye pop. Figure out to a shadow highlight your eye color ambiance carving those color. Think about what color you are wearing when people compliment your eye, or try holding up a bunch of different colored fabric to your eye and have a friend tell you which one look best. Blue eye should start out with black and different shade of blue, darker blues will make your eye look a deep blue, light blues will lighten, purple, pink, and light green. Brown eye should start with oranges and red, or combination like copy, shadow of light brown, bold blues, lavender, gold, and moss green. Green eye should try en shadow of purple or green, black, navy, pale yellow, and brown. Hazel eye should try black, navy, en haute dark neutral, orange, burgundy, en lavender. Keep your eyebrow on point. Your eyebrow from your face and bring balance to your feature. Stick with a strong, natural looking brow vov plucked, pencil thin line. If you can have a professional salon shape your brow they will give you a template for a they should look and then you can do maintenance with a tweezer. Avoid waxing your brow, at a process damage extremely sensitive skin around your eye. Try plucking or threading instead. If you are allowed to tweeze your eyebrow, use a toothbrush to brush the hair over slightly. The trick will make your eye look bigger. Use hydro if your eye are bloodshot or tired looking. A fast care from hydrating hydro or hydromade to relievedness will make your eye look clear and awake. You can also use hydro to depuff the skin around your eye just that liquid on the skin around your eye. Get a good night's sleep to minimize puffiness and dark circle. Skin around your eye extra thin, which might be extremely sensitive and will show the effect of a sleepless night. Lack of sleep can affect your circulatory system, making the blood vessel more visible through the papet and skin under your eye. Sleep with your eye propped upon to pio, allowing the skin under your eye to drain while you sleep and prevent puffiness. Dark circle can also result from allergy, génétique, or bonne structure. To lessen puffiness, try sleeping propped upon to pio, which can help drain excess fluid from your face overnight. Massage the skin around your eye to encourage drainage and reduce puffiness. Swollen looking eye are usually a result of excess fluid under the eye. Gently massaging the skin around your eye can help move the fluid out of your face and to large lymph node where it can proceed efficiently. Gently tap and massage the skin around your eye, using your ring finger. It weakest finger and will make sure you don't press or pull too hard. Work your way around your eye in a circle, starting at the corner, going down under your eye, and then over along the brow bone. Investi nagodeye cream. Humanei tu experim a fait differei cream to raiton, buyu ultimately en sommetignatai moisturising en contin vitamin E. Bevarof et cream tarto riche, graissi, roaxi, ateus contradi de skincel en litutini uitbm, ormilia, arun diurei. Look for cream ta de pufeyur skin, cafène quand et il produit plus finesse, hors contingent l'exfoliant. Oldero omen schuld look for cream ta redus obrien clan firme teskin arun diurei, wish quand begin tout droupayouage. A cream ta plume teskin quand et ptarea arun diurei look uteful. Ta quitésion te salte. A dieigin salt, MSG, alcool, or artificial soutener quand damage teskin arun diurei your cause excessive puffiness. Tourmuche salte quand cause your body tout retin water en apart bloated. Because teskin arun diurei so delicate, ti puffiness will beven more apparent arun diurei. Cuba con your saltin tac tout redus puffiness, et spécialite des befort à spécial event. Pampé teskin arun diurei to the oldre me dit. Iesi tout de pufant très hâte délicate teskin arun diurei item you qu'enfin in your kitchen. Ta cucumber on te eating you've seen in te movie actually el fresh teskin arun diurei. A ite place to slice of chill cucumber on your lee, or triplonging your face in a bowl of is cubes cucumber slice to brighten and puffy urei. Pre-steeping to bag of lactant, after allowing them to cool, place them over urei to reduce puffiness.